About Adcreative.ai. With the emergence of creative AI, advertising creativity knows no bounds. Artificial intelligence can artistically design optimized ad creatives and banners based on consumer data. AI ad creative automation enables digital marketers to create countless variations of ad banners quickly. Imagine an AI writing hundreds of powerful, emotional, personalized, and high-converting ad copies. An AI which can decide the best image, font, color scheme, and copy for ad banners all by itself. AI has turned every marketer's dream into a reality. That's exactly what Adcreative.ai does. It generates hundreds of ROI-focused ad creatives so that teams can set up winning ad campaigns across all social platforms. 4.1. Leon Carlo. Great marketing tool for solopreneurs. It allows me to generate ad creatives quickly and easily. As a solopreneur, this is quite a boon. Pros. I'm not a creative person. So, the ability to have an AI generate creatives and even the text for an ad allows me to run my business as a solopreneur. The generated creatives are pretty good. I'm pretty impressed on that front. Cons. It's still a bit lacking in terms of integrations. For instance, Google Analytics is still upcoming. I was expecting it would be one of the core features they worked on prior to launching. Vendor response. Hey Leon, thank you for reviewing our tool. We made this especially for solopreneurs like yourself, who don't need to have design skills in order to generate awesome creatives. We are happy that we could accomplish what we set out to do. And yes, you're right, it's been a while since we have GAR integration as an upcoming feature, but trust us that we are working round the clock to release updates. If you have been following us, we have introduced a lot of updates recently like dark mode, new text AI integrations, creative insights, and much more. We will be getting all the integrations up and running within a couple of months. Stay tuned. Love from Paris. Replied August 2022. Babashia. The best ad creatives platform. Pros. Everything about ad creative is best. It's very easy to use and get started with. What I like the most that we just have to connect our account, and then upload logo and it does all the work itself. Generate your own ad copy and visuals without being a pro. Ad creative saves me time when making ads, and it helps free up my mind to look at other possibilities for ads I hadn't considered. Pros. I like that ad creative is easy to use, and that it generates dozens of examples of ad copy and visuals to help you create advertisements for social media platforms. You give it some basic info about your products and then it produces artwork and text samples for you to choose from when making your ads. Then you simply copy and paste and upload the art into your chosen platform and you're done. I also like the UI and UX, and how everything is easy to understand. Cons. Many of the visuals are hit or miss. They tend to be random combinations of elements that can either look great, decent, or awful. Thankfully there's a scoring system that helps you choose, but it really comes down to individual choice anyway. Vendor response. Hey Derek, thanks for taking out the time to review Adcreative.ai. We love what you have to say about us. Smiley face. Yes, we paid a lot of attention to designing and developing the UI and UX. Glad our ad copies and creatives help you save time and effort as well. We also take criticism in our stride, cause it helps us improve the platform and give you more value. We understand that sometimes the visuals can be a hit or a miss. That's the nature of AI. As the platform matures and so does our machine learning algorithm, we promised there would be more hits than misses. Thank you once again. Have a good one. Replied July 2022. Crystal. Creates excellent graphics. I thought it was about time someone came up with this. It's a wonderful tool. Pros. It was easy to get started building lovely graphic images from the start. I put in a few lines of information and a couple of our demonstration photos and got beautiful designs. As a non-graphic designer who needs to get Adcreative as quickly as possible, this was a great option to produce designs. Cons. I need specific sizes for my display advertising and found that the sizes don't match exactly what I need. They have horizontal, square, vertical, but no way to provide dimensions for the tool to customize. Vendor response. Hey Crystal, we are overwhelmed when we get outstanding reviews from experienced marketers like yourself. We feel pride and a sense of accomplishment, which helps us to keep improving ourselves and giving our users more features and functionalities. We wanted to create a tool so that people like you with little to no design experiences. But great ideas can leverage the power of AI to generate fantastic visuals for your ads. We also understand that we may not have all the specific sizes for all banner advertisements as of now, but we tried to cover all major platforms like FB, Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, and Pinterest. We are constantly adding more options which you can check out from the news and roadmap section of the app. Once again, thank you for your review. Have a good one, smiley face.